Going over measures of center. This is just a way of collecting a laundry list of data points, and you're trying to find the middle. Now, we can either find the middle by doing the mean or the median. This video is going to focus on finding the center of a central data point using the mean. Now, if I was to define mean is just an average of a set of numbers. You hear a lot of this when it comes to sports, like batting average or free throw percentage. It's whenever you take all the data points, you collect the information, and you find, how often does this happen, an average. So it's going to take 2 steps. You're going to add together all your data points. And once you have all your data points added up, you're going to, for step 2, you're going to divide by however many data points that you had. So we're going to work through a few examples. I'll give you something that's kind of real world, although it hasn't happened yet. So let's say that I'm walking down the road, and throughout the whole week, I'm finding some frogs. But I want to figure out on average, or what's the mean set of this data, the central point, how many frogs did I see on average? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I walked my dog, I saw some frogs. How many did I see on Monday? Well, it looks like I saw 5 Monday, 6 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 2 Thursday, 9 Friday, 0 Saturday, unfortunately, and 4 Sunday. So step 1 is I need to add up how many frogs did I see in all. So 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4. And I end up with a lot of frogs. I think let me add it together, see what I get. It's 29. And since there's 7 days in the week, I'm going to divide 29 frogs by 7. And unfortunately, it's going to be a remainder. So I have no, I don't want a remainder, I want a point. So 4.14. That means I see, on average, 4.14 frogs every day of the week. It's a lot of frogs. Now let's get another one. Let's say I'm trying to find the average of a set of test scores. So let's say I make a 90 on one test, 100, a 40, and then a 70. What is my average? What's my mean for this information? I'm going to add up all my data, see however many points I got in all. So 90 plus 100 plus 40 plus 70 is 300 total points. Then I'm going to divide it by 4 because I took 4 tests. And that means my mother is going to be very upset with me because my class average, or my mean for that set of data, is 75. Not so good. The next video, we're going to talk about finding the central set with median.